This is Drayton with his new big wheel. Well, it's not new, it's a used big wheel. But appears to be that Uncle Dennis is the mechanic and Drayton's a race car driver. Don't drive over your pit crew.
You have to. I gotta replace the connector. Okay, there you go. Try that out. That's your on-off. Your gas. Okay, hold on. Put off.
Okay, here comes race car driver Dennis Ryan, or Dennis Dennis Stephen Kopak Thiessen. All right, where you go, sweetheart? Go! Woohoo! Heading for Abby. I'm afraid that doesn't do it, you monkey. Go.
Turn the other way.
No, he's his father's son, drives around in circles. Hey Jeff, you're looking at this one. Does it look familiar?
Hey, come on. Is it fun? What? What, this? What do we want to do with this?
He wants to run it over.
Oh, is this your buddy? He's going to take a ride with you?
He's trying to keep his mouth face up on the little face of it.